Let me show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Now, if you're on the Facebook app or facebook.com and you don't want professional mode and everything to be public or to be a digital creator or anything like that, I'll show you how to turn it off. Now, first, let's just go home here, and I'm on the app. You can do the same steps on the app or facebook.com. First, we need to navigate to your profile. So you can either just tap on profile if it's at the bottom, or just tap on your profile at the top left. Now, from here, they moved those three dots. It used to be next to edit profile, but now it is at the very top right. Tap on those three dots. And now all we need to do is scroll down. You should see towards the bottom there to turn off professional mode. Keep in mind, this is a bug in Facebook. If you don't see that, you might need to update the app. So let's tap on turn off professional mode and then hit continue. And it says when you turn it off, and you can read through what this will change, but you can just hit turn off at the very bottom. Now you can see it has been turned off, and you can review the default settings if you wanted to, and then just hit confirm and done. Now you'll know that it is turned off because if you hit those three dots and then hit view as, you'll be able to see it no longer says a digital creator or whatever category you had as a professional mode. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.